back, big back. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you need to stop it. That's what you need to do. I don't want belly king, babe. I need to get food before I go to the hospital. No. Fine, you're gonna bring that.
Whoa, okay. Hold on. A damn cat kept me up all night.
Check this out. They're going to be having a big old storm that's going to be coming through and out America. And you know what that is? Y'all really going to be thinking it's a storm, a tornado, and all that other shit. But this time it's going to get worse. And guess what that is? A nuclear bomb. A nuclear bomb that's going to literally take all our power out. A nuclear bomb that's gonna hit everybody, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna, hurt everybody. Everybody gonna get killed, all that other shit. It's a lot that's going on in American.
To whoever gets to love her next. She likes flowers. Flowers that she didn't ask for. She likes going on dates. Dates that you plan. It shows her that you want to spend time with her. She likes reassurance. She likes love notes, love letters, texts and updates throughout your day. Let her know you're thinking about her. Oh, and if you find a song that reminds you of her, send it to her and watch her smile light up. Forehead kisses. Everyone likes forehead kisses. She likes acts of service, quality time, physical touch. She likes little surprises because, let's be honest, the little things do matter. And this is a big one.
Only the occupants.
When I grow up,
Daniel B. Season yet, babe?
Mommy, I would like to.
I have no clue when we started in school. No. Plant more trees.
He said, I'll be
Your car breaks down.
guys.
That was
Then my body said, I'll put like candle on it.
5, 6, 8. Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
Let me see them lips. Attitude and give me face.
Boom, boom, boom.
Eyes, lips, face. Wait. Ooh, you got that drip? It ain't no debate. You see, I'm a winner in my eyes. Lips like this and make them cry. A certified star in the face. You gon' always know I'm in the place. Tryna catch a little bit of this sauce.
We just came back from church just a while ago. Okay? They get me some listen. We don't listen look good.
Oh, I'm exhausted thinking about my week. Oh,
Yeah, so I don't know what your question was.
I know. Mostly from far away. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going through it over here. He's yelling to take everything out of my body. There you go. I can't not look so weird. Good. Smile with my goodie bag. Woke me right up. Yay, present! I got one last one.